Hi, you are welcomed from English Boost Motivation. Basic English greetings and introductions. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. In the last lesson, we started learning English from zero. Today, we will learn basic English greetings and introductions. This lesson is very important for daily English speaking. Let us start slowly. Part 1. What is a greeting? Greeting means when you say hello to someone. In English, greetings are very common. We greet people in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Greeting is the first step to start a conversation.
Part 2. Common English Greetings. Now, listen and repeat slowly. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hello and hi are used anytime. Good morning is used before 12 o'clock. Good afternoon is used after 12 o'clock. Good evening is used in the evening. Repeat again slowly. Part 3. Asking how are you? After greeting, we ask how the person is. Listen carefully. How are you? How are you doing? How is everything? Now answers. I am fine. I am good. I am okay. I am doing well. Repeat after me. This is very common English.
Part 4. Introducing yourself. Now let us introduce ourselves. Listen and repeat. My name is Rahim. I am from Bangladesh. I am a student. I am learning English. You can change the name and country. This is simple introduction English. Part 5. Asking someone's name. Now, how to ask someone's name. Listen. What is your name? May I know your name? Answers. My name is Alex. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you means I am happy to meet you. Repeat slowly. Part 6. Short real-life conversation. Now, listen to a short conversation. Person A. Hello. Person B. Hi. Person A. What is your name? Person B. My name is Sarah. Person A. Nice to meet you. Person B. Nice to meet you too. This is a basic English conversation. Practice this daily.
Part 7. Practice and motivation. Now, practice at home. Stand in front of a mirror and say, Hello, my name is blank. I am learning English. Nice to meet you. Do not feel shy. Every English speaker started like you. Practice every day. You will improve. Dash. Ending. Thank you for watching. This was Basic English Greetings and Introductions. If you like this lesson, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Keep practicing English.
English is a skill, not talent. No one is born speaking English. Everyone learns it step by step, just like you. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a strong accent. You only need courage to try. Every time you learn one new word, you are one step closer to your dream. Every mistake you make is a sign that you are learning. English can change your life. With English, you can get a better job, talk to people around the world, watch movies without subtitles, understand books, videos, and knowledge. Feel confident anywhere. Do not compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday's you. Speak slowly, think slowly, learn daily. Even 10 minutes a day is powerful if you never stop. One day you will speak English confidently and you will smile and say, I'm glad I didn't give up. So start today, believe in yourself. Your English journey starts now.